In this video, we will go through some questions that have different answers as per the keys given by some institutions and coachings. Right. So, purpose of this video is not to discuss or to confuse you or to give different answers in front of you. Just to tell how there is variation in different questions and its answers. Just that is the only purpose. So, first question is from economy part, that is with respect to casual workers. So many institutions have given answer as 1 2 3, and some of them have given as 1 and 3. So their argument with respect to second statement is that so all casual workers are entitled for regular working hours and overtime payment is not true. If you think it as a wrong, and some give evidence of code on wages bill, and it has mentioned about overtime payment and regular working hours, right? So your answer can be C as well as it can be D. It all depends upon UPC's interpretation, right? So don't worry about even if you have made C or D. So only if you have given answer as A and B, that means you will not be able to make it correct. Next question again is from economy. Is not much variation, only one those all favorite. He has said like there can be the answer of this question as 2 only, that is B. But most of the answer keys are given 1 2 3, and it's highly likely like it will be 1 2 and 3. So not to worry much about it, right? So answer will be D. Next question. This is again very controversial. Answers have come up. Some are saying it's only 3, some are saying 1 2 3. So but what I feel personally is like it should include 2, because they are saying FII with certain conditions. If you add certain conditions, it is highly possible that it will become FDI. So you can easily eliminate option D, and you can easily in option B. You are left with 1 2 3 and 2 and 4. So chances are that it will be 1 2 and 3, right? Next question is from again environment, or some you can call science and tech, copper smelting plants. Some answer keys are with B 2 and 3 only, and most of them are with 1 2 3. So those who are with 2 and 3, they are saying it may release lethal quantities. So they have concern with respect to lethal quantity, that's why they say it is wrong. And most of the people as usual they have like it is may release, so they are showing just a possibility, that's why they are showing answer as a D. Next question is from again science basic. In the nature, which of the following are most likely to be found surviving on surface without soil? So here interesting thing is not only 2 answers, but there are 3 answers. Some are saying only 2, some are saying 2 and 3, and some are saying 1 3 and 4, right? So here one thing is very clear, like 2 has to be there, right? So that's why you cannot go for D. So if you are going with 3, then you should go with 2 also. So most likely answer should be 2 and 3, right? Next question again from science and technology part, or basic science. Magnetite particles suspected to cause neurodegenerative problems are generated as environmental pollutants from which of the following? So here some answer keys have given 1 2 and 4 only, some like 3 4 and 5, and most of them have given 1 2 3 4 and 5. So right, so the argument for this is the statement 3 and 5. Like they are saying magnetite particles is a very less chance that it will be present in microwave stone within homes and telephone lines. That's why they are removing 3 and 5, and they are left with 1 2 and 4, right? So it can be like possibly it can be D 1 2 3 4 and 5. Like as per you have we have seen many UPSC answers previously in pollution related questions, they have gone for 1 2 3 4 and 5. Next is question number 40. Not much, only one high level institution has given answer as a D. Otherwise, almost all have given 2. So I don't think it will be different. Mostly it will be 2 only. And again here, you will see some variation. Like for first statement, almost all think like it is wrong. All women in 1919, like it is highly impossible granting voting rights to all women above age of 21, right? But with respect to second statement, some are saying like it is reserved seats, and some are like separate electorates. So they are saying separate electorates is completely different from reserve seats. That's why it has to be wrong. That's why they are going with D, neither one nor two, right? So it all depends upon UPC's interpretation and so many things, right? Then question. This is again very important questions which has many answers. Like some are saying Chenab, some are saying Jhelum, and few others are saying Satluj. Right? Again, very important institutions. Like not important, but large level institutions. Those who have given many answers correct earlier. So they are saying as Jhelum. Some are saying as Chenab, and some are saying as Satluj. So all will depend upon like three of them pour into one of them. So all depends upon how UPSC interprets this particular statement. Three of them pour into one of them, and that will lead to the correct answer, right? So again, you cannot 100% sure like about this answer, right? So don't worry, even if you have done Chenab, Jhelum or Satluj. Only thing you should worry if you have made it Ravi. Next, with respect to 58, not much, only one, like they are showing they are most authentic and they have given answer as one, but it should be like C, both 1 and 2. Next question is from science and technology, like biotechnology kind of hereditary diseases. So here there are again many different answers. Some are saying mitochondrial replacement therapy either before or after. They are saying it can be before and not after. That's why they are saying this is wrong. And second, they are talking entirely first thing. Second, they are talking about mitochondrial diseases. They say this is not mitochondrial disease, this is mitochondrial DNA that entirely comes from mother, and diseases can be from mother as well as sorry, it can be as well as mother as well as father. So they are saying this can be true. Some are saying both 1 and 2, and even some are of the view like they have different views for one statement and second statements. That's why answer can vary. Like they are saying 1 is true but 2 is not, so they are going for 1 also, right? And most of the answer keys have given both 1 and 2, so you can go with C actually, both 1 and 2, right? Then next question. Again, this is a question where you will get two answers, 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3. The question mainly is with respect to virus. Which of the above can be cultured in artificial or synthetic medium? So in UPSC previous year question discussion, we have discussed that virus needs a live host to replicate itself, right? That's why chances are that answer should be 1 and 2 only. Then question from polity, parliamentary democracy. Only few answer keys are varied. One has given as like second is wrong. It is not as per the Supreme Court. In India, matters related to constitutionality of the amendment of an act of the parliament are referred to constitution bench by Supreme Court. Some are saying it should be can, then only it will be correct. This is R, that's why this statement is wrong. Others are saying even if it is can or it is R, the meaning will be same and answer should be C. So both 1 and 2 they are showing. But the most trusted for at least polity, that class, they are showing it as C, both 1 and 2. So I also think like it should be C, both 1 and 2. Then again, here you will see three different answers for right to CT questions. First, few are saying like it is an agreed. They say it is not an agreed. It is not agreed by all the United Nations members, or many countries are not agreed with respect to this. That's why they are saying it wrong. Second, almost all says it is correct. Two has to be there. And third, again they are saying cannot deny, and that to unauthorized colonies. That's why they are saying ki it should be wrong, right? So, but two only, you will not find any option. That's why you have to go either with 1 and 2 or 2 and 3, right? But some people are saying it is 1 and 2. So can be the possible 1 and 2. Then 85 question. Legislation which confers on the, again here most of the keys are giving Article 32. But again the same institutions for polity, which is most trustworthy at least for the polity, they have given Article 14, and it should be Article 14 and not Article 32. Then almost last question, 87. best defined state, meaning of the test state. So some are saying like it should be B, that is politically organized people of a definite territory, and some are community of persons of permanently occupying the same institutions who is most trusted for polity. They have given it as A, but as per the some definitions of dictionaries and all, it tilts towards B. So can be B also. So it all depends upon UPSC interpretation, how UPSC will interpret this particular option, and they will give the answer, right? So this is all for this particular variations questions. Thank you very much.